Hi, and we are here today to make Asian slaw. Usually I use ground turkey, but since we are quarantined and Peapod delivered, or actually Giant delivers, did not have any ground turkey. So we're using chicken, which is already cooked up here, 2 pounds of ground chicken. And then I have broccoli slaw. You can use rainbow slaw as well. This is a really inexpensive meal. I think these are like $1.99, so I use 2 of these. I have a 1/4 cup of Bragg's and a 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar and about 1 to 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of ginger. So I'm going to go ahead and pour all this in and start the cooking process for that. Hunter, you want to go ahead and do that for me?
Sure, yep. I'll start adding some of the broccoli slaw in.
All right. So in the meantime, I actually have another recipe, and this is out of my first cookbook, which I didn't show you last time, and it's my raw broccoli salad. So I have 4 cups of raw broccoli, which I went ahead and cut up into bite-sized pieces. You have some white vinegar, just regular white vinegar. We're going to go ahead and stir that in. And I have 2 tablespoons of Truvia. You can also use Splenda baking blend as well. Let's stir that in. I didn't have any cashews or raisins. Usually we use cashews and golden raisins, but I found this gem in the fridge, and it's cranberries and glazed walnuts, so that'll do the trick. So I'm going to put that in there.
Dude, I'm having some trouble with this bag.
Oh, all right. Let's see. Let me stir this. You really are.
Got it. Nah.
All right. Kid made the dean's list, but can't open a bag. So pour all that in, Hunter. And stir it up.
So pour all this in and make a mess.
Yeah, how about this? How about if you stir this
Sure.
without making too big of a mess?
I'll
pour this in. Sure. I have the Bragg's and the rice wine vinegar going in here. And the ginger. Go ahead. Turn the heat up on this. And you're going to just let that cook down. You turn the heat up, you let that cook down, you put the lid on it. The fluid will evaporate. And you can add more fluid if you need to.
Cool.
And the broccoli salad's done. You did a great job on that. All right, and we'll come back in a little bit. Show you the
slaw.
Asian slaw.
Yes.
All right, we'll be right back. All right, we're back. So we have our broccoli salad and our Asian chicken, and you can also use ground turkey for this. It's really good over quinoa, brown rice, or just plain by itself. It's just very healthy as well. So I also have a couple things here. I have a flank marinade where you can use the Bragg's as well. It's a 1/2 cup of Bragg's, 1/2 cup of olive oil, and then a 1/2 cup of water. And then I use 3 tablespoons of the rosemary ground and the ginger ground. So that's it. All right, stay tuned. Also, just so everyone knows, all of our products are shipping for free, and our Ultra L-carnitine is on sale right now. Metabolix.net. Have a great day.
Have a good one.
Stay safe.